found has been very helpful is going to Eventbrite and looking up things that I'm interested in, whether it's painting class, crystal healing. That's been really helpful for me, just going to these small Zoom events. You can interact with people and you can get that human interaction and still be away from one another. So that's one way to do it. And there's thousands and thousands of events that you can go to get that human connection. Another way is I get connection through being in Facebook groups, if you do Facebook. And usually they're Facebook groups that are aligned to things that I'm doing. Like I just bought a new boxing bag. They have a Facebook community and people go in there and they're like, yeah, I'm doing this workout. And you can actually invite them to your workout. So that is a way to connect with people. Just going to the grocery store and actually chalking up a conversation with the store clerk, like, oh, how have you been? I know in New York, it's easy to do it. People will just talk to you about anything for a brief time. And you won't feel like you have obligations to like be friends with that person. It's a moment in time, talking to somebody in the elevator, talking to one of your neighbors, maybe that you haven't spoke to, you at least have your neighborhood or your apartment building in common. Those are some easy ways to get some quick human connection.